I have been asked to define my blackness many times, and I tell people that black is not really a color, it is a state of consciousness. When you look out into space at night, you see nothing but darkness. And when the astronauts go out into space with their ships, they call them ships for a reason, because they're navigating through triple darkness, but they're navigating through water. Mm-hmm. The water is not liquid because there is no oxygen out in space. This is the reason why they weigh oxygen mass. But there is hydrogen, but it's in the gaseous form. Hydrogen is water. It's just the gaseous form of water out in space. Right. When you add oxygen to hydrogen, you get the liquid form of water. That's why it's called H2O.
Right.
But space is the womb of the universe, the womb from which all of the planets evolved, the womb from which all life evolved. And it is the macrocosm of the womb that we came out of, the womb between our mother's legs. We came out of triple darkness.
That's right.
We came out of water. Yes. We were inside of water bags until we were ready to come out. When the water bag burst, we were ready to come onto the earth. We were ready to come onto our stage. Right. The same elements that are in our mother's womb are also out there in space. Space is where all life form evolved. So triple darkness, blackness, is the origin of all life. There's no way around it. So when we say we are black, we're saying that we understand that the origin of all life came from a black womb.
Yes.
And so if we come from a black womb, then we have to acknowledge that God is what?
A woman.
And what? Exactly. Because all life form came from the origin of darkness.
Right. Isn't there a scripture? I'm sorry, I'm not.
So
I should be.
So my blackness is consistent with the origin of all life. That is how I define my blackness. It is a state of consciousness. Mm-hmm. It's a state of being conscious of the origin of all life. So that is what black consciousness is to me.